Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. How to use effective heating practices with your ArcReach heater. To get the best heating results and to protect your ArcReach heater and heating tools from damage, be sure to follow these effective heating practices. Do not use wire or metal straps to secure cable. Instead, use plastic cable ties, tape, or non-conductive straps to secure cable. Do not hang cable on metal brackets, hangers, or other mechanisms. Stop using equipment if plug, receptacle, or cable is damaged. Replace cable if braid, red jacket, or bare wire is visible. Induction tool cables may be suspended above the workpiece to keep the area under it clear of cables. Keep heating tool cables twisted between ArcReach heater extension cable and workpiece to increase heating performance and minimize unintentional heating of nearby objects. Welded-on thermocouples are recommended for a more precise temperature measurement and feedback versus contact thermocouples. Do not expose air-cooled cables to temperatures above 302 degrees Fahrenheit or air-cooled quick wraps to temperatures above 392 degrees without preheat insulation, or their life will be shortened and damage will occur. Always protect cables and quick wraps from grinders and welding zones to prevent damage. Refer to Owner's Manual for insulation requirements based on preheat and bake-out temperatures. Use a preheat cable cover to protect air-cooled cables from abrasion and spatter. A typical air-cooled cable coil wrap will have 2 to 3 turns on each side of the pipe. Twist remaining air-cooled cable leads exiting the part together to cancel magnetic fields. Keep the air-cooled cable coils close together to achieve a faster temperature response. Separate the air-cooled cables to slow down heating rate. Air-cooled cables or quick wrap may be moved away from joint while maintaining target temperature, but the control thermocouples must be moved with them. Check the parameter screen on the heater menu to see if the setup is achieving an acceptable output close to the 8 kilowatt maximum. If not, check your coil setup and adjust as necessary. Do not start in Lift Arc TIG mode on XMT350 Field Pro non-polarity reversing power sources. Do not disconnect weld leads or heating tools while unit is heating. Turn off the welding power source and heater before disconnecting any tools or cables. To turn heater off, make sure the heating cycle is off and not actively heating. Then turn the power source off.